How to use LCL Le Crédit Lyonnais review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. LCL Le Crédit Lyonnais is a major French bank offering convenient digital and branch services, but beginners often make mistakes that cost fees or time. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding account types. Most people get this wrong by opening a basic checking account when they need premium services like savings, loans, or investment access. Choosing the right account upfront saves hassle. Second mistake, ignoring online banking features. You won't believe how many customers only visit branches. LCL offers mobile apps, instant transfers, and automated payments. Using these tools saves time and avoids missed payments. Third mistake, skipping fee review. The surprising truth is that certain services, like international transfers or overdrafts, can carry unexpected fees. Reviewing fee schedules prevents surprises on your statement. Fourth mistake, not setting up alerts. Beginners often assume accounts are safe without notifications. LCL allows transaction and balance alerts, which help monitor activity and prevent fraud. Finally, neglecting customer support options is common. LCL offers in-branch advisors, phone and chat support. Using these services proactively can resolve issues faster than waiting for problems to escalate. Using LCL properly means selecting the right account, leveraging online banking, reviewing fees, setting alerts, and knowing support channels. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll manage your finances efficiently, securely, and smartly with LCL.